Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Roth IRA with Vanguard. First, let's understand who is eligible and the general contribution rules. Roth IRAs offer incredible tax advantages, allowing your investments to grow tax-free and withdrawals in retirement to be completely free of federal income tax. It's important to know the income phase-out limits and annual contribution maximums to ensure you qualify and contribute correctly. Now, let's walk through opening your Vanguard account. You'll need your Social Security number, employer information, and bank account details ready. Decide if you're opening an individual account or a joint one. Vanguard's online application is straightforward, guiding you step by step. Take your time to review all the information before submitting to ensure accuracy and a smooth setup. Once your account is open, the next step is funding your Roth IRA. You can easily link your bank account for electronic transfers, making contributions simple. Setting up recurring contributions, perhaps weekly or monthly, is a fantastic way to build your savings consistently over time. If you have funds in another retirement account, like a traditional IRA, you might also consider a direct rollover. Finally, let's talk about choosing your investments within your new Roth IRA. Vanguard offers a wide array of low-cost index funds, ETF, and mutual funds. For a hands-off approach, target date funds automatically adjust their asset allocation as you approach retirement. Remember to diversify your portfolio across different asset classes to help manage risk and promote long-term growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.